Hey, I greet you from wherever are tuning in. These are the quickest hairstyles to save your day. They are going to save your time. They don't require a lot of styling. They don't require a lot of care. You just wake up and maybe do a little spray in them and move out. They are so quick and time saving. Watch them. This is an afro hairstyle. You can see she just put a thing, just a hair accessory to move out. Then this is another way of styling this. She could just do it a little bit just like this. Very easy to style and very easy to handle. Watch these hairstyles. And if it's your first time, by the way, don't forget to subscribe, and you also click on the notification bell for more uploads. We upload videos on a daily basis. And please go into the comment section and tell me your best way of styling these quick hairstyles. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to give me thumbs up for the work well done. People from over are watching. I really salute you, and I really appreciate everything you're doing to this channel, your consistency in watching our videos and taking our advice. You can see here how she styled these braids. Very pretty. She looks so pretty. I styled her just that way, and that was pretty quick. These are quick ways of styling. They save your time, and you will of course look beautiful and nice. Easy is the way to go. You don't have to be hard. You don't have to choose hard things. Just choose a quick thing that will save your time. And now look at this afro, so quick. She just tied it a bit and then she moved out. Look at this one, very quick cornrows. And then this one, it's her natural hair. Then look at this one, very easy to style and quick way. This is a bun, very easy to style and easy to move out. You don't have to spend much time on this. I think you can leave it to watch the rest of the video. Now look at this one, how I styled her. It took me only 10 minutes. I was done with this. It was so pretty. I was done with it. Let me leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. See you tomorrow for another upload. As I've already told you, I am JK, a professional hairdresser and a hairstylist. I love you so much, and whenever you are styling, you can use moss. Moss is so good. Yeah, that's why I use the moss to grip the hair together. Yeah, see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye. You can watch the rest of the video. See you tomorrow.